Hi, I'm Nick from Sundance, and behind me is the brand new 37 Swift Trawler. This is the first one in the United States. We have some of these coming. Our first one is sold. I'd like to show it to you. Come on aboard. The new 37 Swift Trawler has wide side decks. It has a great galley and salon arrangement. It has this desk area and seat across from the helm station, the lower helm station. Two very comfortable cabins, a bunk room to port and the master forward. And then to the starboard side, we have the head, very comfortable, dry head, so separate shower stall. Under the salon, we have this single Yanmar diesel engine that powers the boat. So it's extremely efficient and reliable. It is a Swift Trawler, so it'll get up and plane when you'd like it to, or you can cruise at a very economical trawler pace, say 7 to 8 knots. The 37 Swift Trawler has a very well-appointed flybridge. If you'd like to learn more about the 37 or the other Swift Trawler models that we carry, reach out to us at Sundance. We'd love to show you all of them. Thanks a lot.